Early morning wake up. We're about to head to Bologna. This is where we're spending most of the trip. We'll be there for 3 nights. So I really hope it's a nice vibe. Luckily, we're kind of escaping the bad weather because today is sprinkling on our way to the train station, but it's definitely going to rain all day here in Venice. So I'm glad that we're leaving right when the weather is about to get bad. And by the time we get back, it should be sunny, so that's good. The weather in Bologna is a little windy, but it's not supposed to rain, so that's always a good sign. This train is nice. Very bright and open, and there's tons of space. It's about a 2-hour train from Venice to Bologna, so it should be pretty smooth. I see that there's Wi-Fi on board, so that's awesome. There's screens to show us where our stop is. Just made it to Bologna, yay! I'm already liking it a bit more than Venice just due to the proximity of everything. Like, it's not overly crowded. I can walk around. It just seems a lot more slow paced and laxed than Venice was, which is awesome. But it's cute.
Well, it stands as the free medals, but then it has the truffle flavor.
You can taste the truffle instantly. Alright, now we're on the way to find some interesting and abstract street art. I love seeing cool street art like this. Now we're about to start our Bologna walking tour, which I'm very excited for so that I can understand the history and significance of all of these beautiful sites in Bologna that surround me. I don't know if I'll have much vlog footage from the tour, but I will let y'all know.
That is basolato. Basolato is a specific of cheese, tagliatelle, lasagne alla bolognese. They're also typical, the green lasagne. Also in the other region we have the same, but here.
Day 3, and today we're starting the day by going to the Lamborghini showcase room. It's in Bologna. In the morning, it's that typical morning go to work traffic. So we were caught in it on the bus, which led to us having to run, do your good old fashioned train station run to make it on our train. Though I feel like we would have made it on time because we're still here. Oh, and now it's starting to move. We're heading towards Modena, not all the way to Modena. It's kind of like halfway. So we'll be stopping in this little town, which will be cool. I like going to little towns that aren't big touristy spots when I'm traveling. We are in this cute little town in the middle, smack dab middle of Italia. And we're walking towards the Lamborghini showroom. Lay on top. Brand new whip, got no keys. Taylor my clothes, no starch, please. A little midday pick me up. If it is midday, I think it's like 1 something, but we got up pretty early and I feel so tired. We're at one of the little cafes that we went to yesterday. Yes, it is after 10 and we're getting coffee. It's 2 actually, 2 p.m. No complaints. It's needed. So I'm getting me a little macchiato and hopefully it helps. After this, we'll probably stroll around a little, go back to the Airbnb to chill, and then we have a cooking class that I'm so excited to do. It's with Get Your Guide and it comes with like an aperitivo, it comes with us making a spritz, then making pasta, unlimited wine while we're eating, and then a dessert. So I'm excited. Y'all know I love a good cooking class. I cannot wait for it. I really like Bologna. It's very nice. I feel like it's a lot less fast paced and cluttered in comparison to Venice. So I'm glad we chose this as our base. But here's the little cafe. We were here yesterday. There's like 3 floors. The bar, and then they have a shop down there.
You have 180 grams of 00 somewhere, okay? Now, with your hand, guys, it's a big fontana, guys. We need to host 2 eggs inside this fontana. Take very a gentle hand with your egg, guys. Everything falls inside. Every eggshell, it happens. Everybody. Brava. Very gently, okay? No mess. Now we are only focused on the 2 eggs.
No, I mean,
7 millimeters. 8 when it's cooked. Okay. So it grows. Now, guys, everybody cut the pasta that you want. Okay, if you prefer very thin. Just that when it's cut, that's the most beautiful effect.
Unfortunately, we have left Bologna. I truly loved it there. It's definitely my favorite city of this northern Italy trip. And we're headed back to Venice because that's where we're flying out of tomorrow.
Modalità tap and tap. Vi ricordiamo di effettuare il secondo tap